Hello everyone, welcome to your next blogging tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create your email account. Remember that the first thing you need to own a blog is an email account. And like I told you in the other tutorial, you could create a Yahoo Mail, Gmail and stuff, but remember I suggested you should use a Gmail. It's just my own personal suggestion. You can use any email you want. Alright, so you visit gmail.com on your system. It is best advised that you use your system to set up your blog. After setting up your blog with your laptop or a desktop computer, then you can switch over to phone to update it and whatever. But make sure you use your system to set it up. So you visit gmail.com and it opens this page. So if you already have an email, you could skip this step. Alright, so you click on create an account and it takes you to a page where you get to create a new account. Alright, so I'll just keep this here. In this page we'll get to create a new Google account. Then I'm just going to choose a name for you. Alright, and choose a name, Cynthia.Madam, and then you choose a password. Oops, yeah, this is an error. So someone already has that username. Not that whatever. So the thing is that someone else who already has this username. Remember, this is Cynthia.Madam@gmail.com. So we could try other modifications of it or variations of it. I could just remove the dot and see what happens. Someone already has it, so, and it's suggesting stuff to me, other names. Let's just take one. This is Cynthia Madam33@gmail.com. I'll never use this email, so don't worry about sending me email on this. Just go to Brainterm website and send me an email like brainterm.org website. Okay, we choose a password, and if you're observant while you're typing in the password, it's telling you something that, hey, the password is too short, use at least 8 characters. Alright, and I'm going to just add 2 extra characters. Be careful not to type a password you will forget. If you forget it, write it down somewhere. Then date of birth. What is our date of birth? 7th day of March and 1998. Okay, so yeah. Then of course, Cynthia is probably a female, and you enter your phone number. Once you're through with your phone number, you enter your current email address. This is probably an email address that you would you'll be needing. You need your correct phone number, the phone number you're using at the moment you're creating this account, because Google will call this number. Once we hit the next step here, Google will call this number and send you a passcode. Call like 5 letters for you, 5 numbers that you would use to activate your account. If you don't pick that call, your new email registration process will be terminated. Alright, so you actually use your real phone number, and this is how you type in your phone number. This is I've already written the country code for you, 234. If your number is 080 whatever, just remove the first 0. Remove the first 0 and start typing 08. That is plus 23480. So these guys here kind of replaces the 0. Get it? Okay, then if you have a friend that has an email address, you could type in this. So if your email ever gets blocked or you forget your password, this is where they will send the password, send your activation instructions and stuff. So they usually need a second email you could use. Then the other thing is that you have to prove that you're not a bot. This is for verification. Alright, you write the number you're seeing here. Right now I'm seeing 1107. So if you skip this, they will have to call your phone and stuff. But if you type this, they may not have to call your phone. Alright, so it's pretty obvious to me. This is 1107. and location is my favorite country, best country in the world, Nigeria. All right. We'll hit the next step button. All right, I just hit the next button after filling the details, and then we're on the next page. All right, so Google just wrote out my number here, and it's telling me that, hey, we need to verify your account, and we can send you a text, SMS, or call you, anyone you prefer. At this point in time, I could prefer to receive an SMS. All right, so your number is here. Don't tamper with it, and then you click next, and they call the phone immediately. So make sure the phone is on and ready to receive calls, or you send an SMS and they'll send you a code, a 5-digit code that you'll type in the next page. All right. Okay, so let's continue. All right, that was quick and instant, and Google has already sent me the code, and I'm just going to type it out. 583098. I'm staring at my phone right now, and you're like, continue. And if it's correct, Google should pretty much log you in and try to register you in Google Plus and a whole lot of other stuff. But at this point, our email is basically created. Let me just show you. Yeah, it's like welcome, go to Gmail and stuff. All right, so if you look at the top of the screen here, you have my account. And there's this tiny little beautiful arrow here. And if you have other accounts, you could sync them together, and you could log out and stuff. You don't need to click that. So you basically get to Gmail and log in, or you just click on go to Gmail. So our email is created. There are other Gmail services, as you can see here. There are several. This is Google, this is Gmail, and this is Google Maps, this is YouTube, and whatever all these other ones are. This is Google Drive and stuff. Okay, this is Google Chrome. So we log into our email, and that's settled. The next move is to choose either, we're logging in, to choose either to create a WordPress site. You visit wordpress.com, and then you're here. You could proceed to create a WordPress site, or you could go to blogger.com and proceed to create a blog site. Alright, it's asking us to type our password, the password we entered, and log in. Remember, you wrote it down somewhere so you don't forget. And if you type it and click sign in, you will be automatically signed in.